Hi learners, and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we're having a look at multiplication of common fractions. Right, so you can see that I have a mixed fraction in the example. We have 2 and 3 over 4 times 3 and 2 over 5. So I can't really multiply them because they are for different denominators. So I need to take 2 and 3 over 4 and get a fraction, right? So step 1, we got to take 2 and 3 over 4 and get the equivalent fraction for this. How do I do that, right? Firstly, you'll take 2 times 4, which is 2 times the denominator. So it's the whole number times the denominator, right? That's what we're doing. And then 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Then you take the product, the answer from here. So you take the answer plus the numerator, which is 3 plus 8 all over 4, which is equal to 3 plus 8, which gives me 11 over 4. That is the equivalent fraction, right? So I get 11 over 4 times. Let's do the second one. Same procedure, very quickly. 3 and 2 over 5. Step 1, the whole number times the denominator. 3 times 5, which is equal to 15. The answer, which is 15, plus the numerator, which is 2, is 17. So here I'm going to get 17 over 5. Can you see that? What do we do here? What are we doing in this instant? How do you multiply? Right? So when we multiply across. We get 11 times 17 all over 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. 11 times 17 is a little bit harder. So let's do it on the side. Right? Let's do it slowly. You get 11 times 17. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Add a 0 because we're working with the tens column now. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. We get 187. So the answer here is 187 over 20. So that is how we work with multiplication. First step, you get the equivalent fraction and then you work with your multiplication, right? So take your book out on multiplication, complete that workbook, and I will see you in the next lesson.